Hey there everybody, Phil here for AndroidCentral.com, and it's time to take a look at Winamp for Android. It's now out in beta in the market. You can go get it and fire it up, and for all intents and purposes, it's just a darn good media player, right? You got a lot of really good, easy to press buttons. You can search by album, by song, by artist, whatever, all the stuff you would completely expect. So here's a list of things that just happen to be on this phone. And I haven't really ever used my Nexus 1 to play music with, just for a number of reasons. One, syncing's just a pain, right? I think we all know that. But here's some stuff I already have on here, and let's just fire up some Nine Inch Nails, shall we? Because there's nothing I like for breakfast more than Nine Inch Nails. You're not going to actually be able to hear the music here. Little surprised it's not pulling in the album art yet. I got to figure that out still. It might be a beta thing. It might be just because it's not synced on Winamp, because I just loaded Winamp on my PC for the first time in a long time, actually. So let's take a look at lock screen controls. Look at that, full screen lock screen controls, right? You saw some other controls on there that was on CyanogenMod, but here they are from Winamp itself. And see, to unlock, we just, there we go, and then we're back to the normal lock screen, and now we can get back to the app. So, what else? Let's see. So you've got your buttons down here at the bottom. And let's take a look at some of the really cool features. Go into the settings, and that's the big one for me. Enable wireless sync. So we'll talk about that more in a second. Enable auto mount by default when you load the app. That's checked. So when you plug the phone in, it's going to sync it as a USB drive, and that's just no good. So I turn that off. There's the lock screen option, so you can turn that on and off. But wireless sync for me is the big one, and here's how it works. So you've got Winamp on your desktop, your laptop, whatever. We're going to open it up here, and when you have that setting checked in the Android settings, you're going to see your phone. There it is. I've already synced this one up, so it's already connected, but what you need to do is tell it to search for devices there, and then it will show up down on the bottom, and once it is, you're connected. It's that easy. And so let's just find something we want to sync. How about, say, Ministry? Why not? More good metal for breakfast, I think. So there we go. We got some Ministry, and we'll sync Psalm 69. So we'll go to Sin 2 HTC Nexus 1. And it's that easy, and now it's sending the music. So why don't we go over and we can watch a transfer for a second. Not the quickest transfer speeds in the world. It's over Wi-Fi, so it's not bad, but it's so easy. No plugging anything in, no worrying about drivers. Really just works. Only thing you have to make sure is that the phone is actually connected via Wi-Fi, but once you're good there, not a problem whatsoever. So, now that the music is syncing, we will fast forward ahead, and ooh, look at that, the magic of editing. And let's see, there we go, Ministry, and have the entire Psalm 69 album on our phone. And it's that easy. Really just took a couple minutes to sync up. So still got to figure out the album art thing. That's driving me nuts. You can scrub back and forth between beginning and end of the song. That works really well. You've got your other usual controls. Let's see, how about if you hold down, you get some more options. Come on, Nexus 1, there we go. So play, in queue, add to playlist. Extras, let's check that out. Amazon MP3, interesting. Browser, listen. Let's hit browser and see what happens. Ooh, crash. Well, it isn't beta, folks, so it's something you got to deal with. How about Amazon MP3? That might open it up so you could buy it, maybe? No? Well, we'll have to see if they fix that too. Now, one more thing I want to show you here, and this is also very cool. So let's back out to the home screen and find the blank one. Widgets. This has a really nice widget. Let's load it up here, and there it is. So it takes up half your screen. It's a 4x2 configuration, and you've got your player controls. You've got album art. If and when album art finally starts showing up, you can loop it, and if you push the little Winamp button, you're right back in the app. So there you go. Quick look at Winamp for Android.